foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is Daliya Kheer, which is the coarse wheat and jaggery mixture. I've garnished this with some chopped almond and cashew nuts, and this is very healthy kheer. I have added jaggery instead of sugar. So let's start with the recipe. We typically eat this Daliya Kheer in winter season because of jaggery and coconut, and this coarse wheat is very healthy and gives beautiful flavor to this kheer. So let's start with the ingredients. So here are the ingredients for Daliya Kheer, which is coarse wheat sweet. So I've taken 1 cup of coarse wheat, 1 cup of jaggery, half cup of shredded coconut, approximately 2 cups of milk. This is warm milk, 4 to 5 tablespoons of pure ghee, 3 cups of hot water, and for garnishing and flavoring we have taken 7 to 8 chopped almonds and 7 to 8 chopped cashews. This is half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder and about 1 tablespoon of green cardamom powder. So let's start this recipe with heating up the Instant Pot on saute mode. Okay, if you do not have the Instant Pot home, then you can simply add everything in the pressure cooker and give about 4 to 5 whistles and keep it for about 10 minutes on a simmer. So no problem there. So let's add about 2 tablespoons of pure ghee here. Let's first get the dry fruits fried. In about 2 minutes, once you see the cashew nuts are changing color, we are going to separate them out in a bowl. Let's move on to the step 2. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of pure ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add the dalia and roast it well. This is the key step here. We have to roast this dalia for about 3 to 4 minutes until it changes color. In about 4 to 5 minutes, you will smell the roasty flavor of the dalia, and as you can see, the color it changed a bit. So now I have 3 cups of hot water. Because dalia takes time to cook, I have used the hot water. Mix this well. Add half a cup of shredded coconut. This is a fresh coconut, just for that additional flavor, and pressure cook it for about 5 minutes. Of pressure cooking, I turned the nozzle from sealing to venting, or you can just let it sit on a sealing mode and let the pressure go all by itself. So if you're in rush, you can do venting. So now let's open this and look at this. Alright, so look how soft and well cooked this looks. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of jaggery. If you want, you can add sugar instead, but with jaggery it gives beautiful flavor, and of course it's less processed, so it is healthier than adding sugar, but choice is yours. Coconut with jaggery combination is amazing. Let the jaggery melt. Add cardamom powder and nutmeg powder, and keep some dry fruits for garnishing, but add rest of them. So I'm just adding most of them. Alright, as you can see, my dalia is ready. So whenever you are going to serve, you can add milk, and otherwise you can just keep it as is, and whenever you are ready to serve, just add milk and let it boil for some time, and then you can serve it hot. It can be eaten hot or warm. So last tablespoon of ghee gives beautiful flavor. Let's mix this well, and my dalia is ready. I'm going to portion it out. Okay, so I separated them out. I have half of the dalia in this bowl and half in the pot, where I'm going to show you how to make the kheer. So turn the instant pot to saute mode for 15 minutes and add warm milk. Depends on how much consistency you want. And we are going to bring this to boil. As you can see, I might need some more milk. This is very healthy. This is how it looks. This is all cooked really well. This is the kind of thickness we need. Here you go. My dalia kheer is ready. Alright, so kept it on warm for some time, and this is how it looks. Delicious kheer is ready. The milk consistency can be adjusted as per your liking. Let's serve this now. And I have garnished this with the fried cashews and almond chops. So here is my dalia kheer ready. Very healthy and very unique taste. And this is the dalia without milk. As I said earlier, if you're ready to eat this dalia kheer, you can add milk and simmer it for about 3 minutes and serve it. But I'm going to save this for later. So thank you for watching this recipe. I'm sure you're gonna like it, share it and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you. Bye bye.